It's been so long since I posted a video, and I'm gonna definitely change that. I'm gonna try to post a little bit more. One thing I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to post more variety. I want to do more vlog stuff, and with this camera, that's absolutely possible. If you guys want to see a camera setup and kind of everything that I use, please let me know. This is awkward. I don't know if I'm gonna look into the screen or into like right in the lens. Stare you guys straight in the eyeballs. I'm super stoked. So this is the A6400, and again, I'll do a rundown if you guys want to see it. But in this video, I'm actually gonna scoot right home because I have an Adams Polishes mystery box, which I'll open up and we'll see what kind of cool stuff we have. As you guys can see, we got a lot of traffic, like a lot of people are here because it's this is prime time. But hopefully you guys had a really good Christmas, and regardless, I think we're gonna scoot home if we can get out of this this parking spot. That looks good. I think so. I hope. So, hopefully this lighting is okay. I know it's a little bit dark outside, and I know it's a little messy in this room, so I'm trying to make do with what I have. So anyway, so this is something I'm really excited for, aside from obviously the new camera, which I hope you guys are excited about, because it means I can up the quality. I'm not necessarily sure if I'm going to do 60 frames. I know it's a little crazy to do 60 frames. It's not exactly as cinematic, but I may bounce back to 30, but yeah. So anyway, back to the box. So this is the Adams mystery box, Adams Polishes mystery box. This is the $29.99 one. So I think you're promised around 50 to 60. This should have some pretty okay stuff. I think they give you obviously like wheel cleaners, like interior detailers, maybe some towels. I'm not sure. That's the whole point of the mystery. All right, so we found a knife, some kind of tool. This should do. All right, so hopefully we get some good stuff. Good. All right, so already I see we get these two sprayers, so our spray nozzles. That could be promising. You never know. Alrighty, so to start us off, we have a looks like some kind of towel, some buffing towel. Doesn't necessarily say. But I'm not sure. I don't really know Adams Polishes a lot. I have a couple of their products. I believe I have their sealant, but I kind of want to try them out. So I'm not necessarily sure if this is what kind of towel this is. It's a soft woven towel, so it's probably for buffing. But this will be very handy. All right, to start us off, we have Ultra Foam Shampoo, which is awesome. This is good stuff. I need some really good shampoo. I haven't really had the opportunity to really use a good car soap, so I think this is gonna really look good. And honestly, with the onto the foam cannon, I hope this works with a foam cannon. I assume it would in the Ultra Foam advertising words right there. Boom. I would assume this would probably do well. And then we have tire and, oh, this is good stuff. Tire and rubber cleaner. I don't actually have a tire and rubber cleaner, so this is gonna be really nice to have. So that's awesome, because my tires always look gunky and just ugh. So that's good. And glass cleaner, a glass cleaner. This is awesome. This is good stuff to have. So honestly, not too bad. I don't know exactly how much this is, but I assume it's around the $50 mark. Some of you guys who know Adams Polish as well, you probably would know. You can tell me, that'd be nice. And a glass cleaning towel. My glass cleaning towel that I have right now is a kind of a basic store brand one, and I'm starting to get a little bit of fuzzies after I clean windows, so this will help me out a bunch. So cool, very cool. I think it only comes with one towel, but I think one is plenty. And we got one more item. A premium interior towel. Okay. A little bit of a coarse towel, probably you know, for scrubbing dashboards and leather seats. So that's really, really cool. And that is an empty box right there. So completely clean this one out, and yeah, very cool. So so we have our tire and rubber cleaner, our glass cleaner, and our foam, our shampoo, along with, and I hope the camera's picking this up, just these two, and then this. And then we have 3 towels. We got this premium interior towel, and again, this kind of soft, silky towel, probably for buffing, along with a glass cleaning towel. So this I'm super excited about, along with, I'd say probably my favorite out of all of these, maybe the shampoo, because I needed a really good shampoo. The car soap I was using was pretty okay, but maybe something a little bit more aggressive. But overall, this is really, really great stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is also kind of like me trying to mix it up, and as you guys know, I like detailing, so I will plan to do some form of review on these. But overall, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I apologize, I have not posted a video in a month, and that's just wrong. That's wrong. You guys have been supporting me, and I really appreciate that. So thank you guys again. Hopefully you guys had a really great holiday. I know New Year's is coming up, so there's still one more thing to enjoy, but yeah, so thank you guys again for supporting the channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for videos with these products. Let me know if you guys really want to see a certain product review, and yeah, absolutely, I'd love to do that. So and hopefully you guys are enjoying the new quality, because I love this new camera. It is the bee's knees, it's the cat's meow. So yeah, with that said, thank you guys again for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.